Assalamualaikum. Today's topic is hypertension. The first question came to our mind is what is hypertension or how can we define hypertension? So according to European Society of Cardiology, they categorize the blood pressure or hypertension into these following categories. The number one category is optimal blood pressure. So when the systolic blood pressure is less than 120 mmHg and the diastolic is less than 80 mmHg, we call this blood pressure as optimal blood pressure. Number two is normal blood pressure. So what is normal blood pressure? When the systolic blood pressure is 120 to 129 mmHg and diastolic is 80 to 84 mmHg, we call this blood pressure as normal blood pressure. Then there is high normal. When the systolic blood pressure is 130 to 139 mmHg and diastolic is 85 to 89 mmHg, we call this blood pressure as high normal blood pressure. Then there are these three grades of hypertension. Grade 1 is when systolic blood pressure is 140 to 159 mmHg and diastolic is 90 to 99 mmHg, we call this as grade 1 hypertension. Grade 2 hypertension, when systolic blood pressure is 160 to 179 mmHg and diastolic is 100 to 109 mmHg, we call this as grade 2 hypertension. Last, grade 3, when systolic blood pressure is more than and equal to 180 mmHg and diastolic is more than or equal to 110 mmHg, we call this as grade 3 hypertension.